Okay, it's Ask the Vet Wednesday. Joining me now, Dr. Todd Conlan from Waterhouse Animal Hospital is here to answer some of the pet questions that you posted on our KC24 Facebook page. Dr. Conlan, thanks for coming in.
Thanks for having me.
Of course. Darlene has a simple question. Why does my cat eat grass? No, my dogs do it too.
Yeah, simple question, but it's the million-dollar question. There's no great answer to that. Some cats and dogs, yes, when they have an upset stomach, they may do that because it might help them vomit. But why do they do it on a regular basis? We really don't know. And some cats especially, they have a tendency to want to chew on strings, ribbon, raffia, rubber bands, hair bands, kind of anything they can find. So probably more a behavioral component with her cat. As long as it's not vomiting and causing any problems, probably not too big of an issue. But if she vomits frequently, then I would try to limit the consumption.
Okay, keep an eye on the cat. Monica says, besides antibiotics and a mite pill, how can I get rid of mange? My dog seems to get it over and over again while my other dogs don't.
Right, and there's two types of mange. Then this is probably the non-infectious, something called Demodex. And if this is an older dog, this dog may have what we call adult demodicosis, and so there may be an underlying disease process there. So probably a thorough workup with our veterinarian to rule out something like Addison's disease or Cushing's disease or hypothyroid or something else that would set this dog up would be where I would start, and then managing the mange from that point is where they need to go.
Okay, get the dog into the vet then. Final question from Diana. I just got a 2-year-old lab mix a couple months ago and I can't get her to stop jumping up on me. Help! She also doesn't urinate very often, about 2 to 3 times per day or night. Is that normal?
Yeah, and unfortunately a 2-year-old probably came with a bad habit, and so she needs some help retraining the dog. So working with a local trainer would be a great idea, and just setting her up with some exercises that get the dog to learn that that's not the appropriate behavior, and some rewards so that it learns, you know, in a nice way without punishment to do that. And 2 to 3 times a day urinating, if she's feeding a dry food, certainly would be very reasonable. If she wants to add something like ice cubes to the water or even a little bit of water to the dry food to try to increase the water consumption, that would be fine as well.
All right, you're at Waterhouse Animal Hospital. What are your hours?
We're open 7 days a week, and so they can call and find out the hours for each individual day.
Okay, you're located over there by Campania.
Right, Champlain and Perrin.
All right, Dr. Conlan, thank you. Good luck. Hope you guys, hope you win that beard competition you got going on.